As we discussed earlier, the real-world applications for index or match by themselves are not extremely powerful. However, as discussed previously, when they are used in conjunction, we can do many different things. Let's build to this slowly, first with index and then match, and then bring them together. First, we will use the match formula to look up which row Tuvalu is on. We type equals match to look up the value Tuvalu, located in cell B100. The lookup array is country, and our match type is exact. This function returns the answer 14. Now that we know which row Tuvalu is located, we can use the index formula to look up the associated revenue. Let's type equals index, followed by the revenue array. Since we just looked up that Tuvalu is in row 14, we can use 14 from the match. And now we can hit enter. Now we've got the revenue for Tuvalu. Let's check that out real quick. First, we located what row Tuvalu is on, and then found the relative match in the revenue column was equal to 1269. Also, did you notice we just did a vertical lookup with a matching value on the right instead of the left? That is something we could have not done using a VLOOKUP. However, we don't always need to do this in two steps. We can also use the index and match function together. If we look at the match formula again, we see we reference C100, which contained the row reference. If we replace the C100 in the index formula with the match formula contained in cell C100, we can do it in one step. Let's give it a shot. Equals index. What do we want in the index? It's the same as before. We're trying to look up the revenue. The row number we don't actually know. We're going to look that up using the match formula we learned before. So for the match formula, the lookup value is Tuvalu. We are trying to find Tuvalu within the country array. We want an exact match. Now we use both these formulas together, so we need to close both the match and the index formula, 2 parentheses at the end, and now we can click enter. We just built a nested formula using both index and match to look up the revenue associated with Tuvalu. Now, why don't you practice on your own using first the match formula, then the index formula, and then using them together? In our practice set, we use the revenue as the lookup field. This time, you're going to try to look up the EBITDA. Good luck.